Hello and welcome to Pinktown. For today's new arrivals, we have some dozen packs, starting off with these two. Here we have these round CC stud earrings in gold. See, they are studs, and in silver. So this is 1 dozen pack, and they typically come with 6 silver and 6 gold, but it could vary. Then we have this other dozen pack that is LV Love Lock stretch bracelets. So these do stretch, and here's all the charms. This also comes in silver and gold, typically with 6, but it could vary. For our next 2 dozen packs, they are 3-layered necklaces. So this is CC in gold and in silver. They do also come 6 and 6, but it could vary. The other dozen pack is GG, so this is in silver and then in gold. They are 1 necklace with a lobster clasp, but it's 3 layers. We also have some restocks. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see them. And if you see anything you like, they will be listed in the description down below. Also, please like and subscribe so we can keep making videos for you guys. Thank you.